Why should we invest in mutual funds? We all save money. But then, a question comes to our mind. What do I do with the money? How can I get the maximum benefit out of it? After all, we worked really hard for it. We ask our friends and colleagues about where to invest. Well, some will say fixed deposits. Some say buy an insurance policy. But are these the best options we have? You see, with price rises and inflation touching the roof, how will your dreams like buying a car or going on a holiday ever become a reality? Mutual funds, trust me, is the answer. Now you see, when we hear about this mutual funds, it sounds very complicated. We think about filling forms, reading boring bank brochures, going through complex calculations, stock markets. It is simply not everyone's cup of tea. That is where mutual fund experts come in. Like most investors, you may have more interesting things to do in life, like, say, going to a movie or a weekend trip. So leaving investments to the experts is a practical and logical idea. After all, they are the experts. Now you may ask, what are the benefits of mutual funds? Mutual funds offer the convenience of liquidity. This means that you can get access to your money very easily and at short notice. All it takes is a phone call. It is almost like keeping your money in your existing bank account. The only difference, your money has a better chance to grow in a mutual fund. Mutual funds provide the right diversification for your investments. It is a given that stock markets have ups and downs. There is no escape from that fact. To reduce this imminent risk, the asset management company does a very smart thing. They go and invest in not one, but various industries in equity and various securities in debt funds. Mutual funds are well regulated by SEBI, which means that it is always under the hawkeye of SEBI. So there's very less chance of fraud. People think that mutual funds are for those who make a lot of money. This is just a myth. There are mutual fund investments for the junior-most guy in the office to the big entrepreneur. So no matter how much you earn or what your risk appetite is, there is a plan for all of us. You could invest in low-risk products like cash and liquid funds, which have potentially steady returns. Or invest in high-risk products with potentially high returns. For your short-term goals, like a foreign holiday or a car, there are debt funds. For long-term goals like your own house or daughter's marriage, there are equity funds. So you have a wide range of investment choices. So now you may say, this is a great idea. But what about the charges? I mean, they are mutual fund experts. The good news is that the charges are very low. Since a professional is managing a large pool of investors like you, the cost that you pay for a professional manager is shared and very small compared to the other investment options in the market. On top of getting good returns for your money, you can also avail long-term tax benefits. This is one of the greatest benefits of this investment. So in all, easy liquidity, diversification, regulated by SEBI, mutual fund is for everyone. Wide investment choices, low charges, long-term tax benefit. All these factors make mutual fund a very practical investment you should seriously consider. It is the stepping stone to your dream. So set your goals and start investing today. You are much closer to your dream than you think. To invest in mutual funds, call your financial advisor now. Call toll-free 1-800-266-6688 or visit us at www.idfcmf.com.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.